Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. I am holding a kitchen brush because I want to give you some tips on how to clean up after you make sourdough. Now, most sourdoughs are allowed to rise in what's known as a banneton or a wooden basket, and they're usually heavily floured so that the dough can pick up that flour and those decorations on the bottom of the bowl. Now, how do you clean this? It's wood. You never want to put it under water in the sink, and you never want to soak it at all. So I never put it under water. But the sort of the dilemma is the dough is moist. So it does leave a little bit of a moist residue on here, even with the flour. So I take a good stiff brush, I come over to my sink, and I scrub, and I get all that flour off, and then I give it a good bang, and I keep doing that until all the flour is out, even the nooks and crannies. And once that is out, I sort of allow this to dry at room temperature just to get any moisture that it might have gotten from absorbing from the dough while it was rising. So I just want to let it dry out thoroughly, and then I put it away until the next time I make sourdough. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. I hope you make sourdough, and I hope you become a subscriber. Till next time.